Alright guys, here we go again. More rational numbers. Rational numbers, all positive and negative numbers that can be written as a fraction. As a fraction converted to a repeating or terminating decimal. Alright, so let's start with a mixed number because we like mixed numbers. Mixed numbers, we have 5 1/3 divided by -7. We have a positive divided by a negative. Our answer is going to be negative. Alright? I forgot to do this in the multiplying, but we should always estimate. Estimate first. So I'm going to do a little about equal sign up here. If I have 5 divided by -7, I know it's going to be a negative. How many groups of 7 fit into 5? Well, less than 1. We don't even have one group of 7. So I know that my answer is going to be smaller than 1, a little bigger than a half probably. So I'm going to just say it's about 1. I'll say that. It's about -1, but I know it's less than that. So now I can go to work. I want to change this mixed number to an improper fraction by multiplying 5 times 3 is 15 plus 1 is 16 over 3. And then I'm going to change this to multiply, copy, times, and I'm going to flip this. Remember, -7 is really -7 over 1 as a fraction. So I can flip it to -1 over 7. All right, this is the reciprocal of -7. -1 over 7. Meaning if you multiply them together, you get 1. All right. So now I can multiply straight across. I'm going to look for cross simplification. I can't do it. 16 times -1. I have -16 over 3 times 7, 21. -16 over 21. I compare to my estimation. They're close. Yep, they're close. Yay, I'm super happy. Good for me. All right, let's do another one. But this time we're going to talk about decimal numbers. All right, decimals. We love decimals, dividing decimal numbers, another rational number. So here we have 7 and 4800ths divided by, whoa, it's disappearing, divided by 4/10. Jeez. I don't know why I got this disappearing ink right now. So think about what the question's asking. And we're going to estimate. We have 7 and we have about a half. How many halves fit into 7? How many halves fit into 7? Or how many 0.5s fit into 7? Well, if I double it, it's 14. And then there's another one. I'm going to say about 15. Disappearing ink. That's a terrible 15. Let me erase that. I don't know what's going on here with my pen. My pen is not working. 15. So there's about 15.5s in 7.5. So to divide decimals, I write it. Divisor on the outside. This is the divisor. This is the dividend. Our answer will be a quotient. Divisor on the outside, dividend on the inside. How many 0.4s are in 7.48? Well, to do this, all I have to do is move it over 1, move it over 1. So now I have 4. How many times does 4 go into 74 and 8/10? How many times does 4 go into 7? Once. 1 times 4 is 4. I subtract. I bring down. How many times does 4 go into 34? 8 times. 8 times 4 is 32. I bring down. And notice this. Here's my decimal point, right? I have to bring it straight up. It goes right there in the quotient. So now how many times does 4 go into 28? 7 lovely times. Nice and easy. So this equals 18.7. Is that about 15? Yeah, we're close. It's not exactly 15, but it's about 15. So I'm going to say that should be correcto mundo. 18.7. I look back negative signs. I don't have negative signs. My answer is positive. And there you go. Dividing decimals. Dividing decimals. Move the decimal point in the divisor to make it a whole number. Move it the same amount of places in the dividend. And you're all set. And then just bring it straight up. And there you have dividing rational numbers, both decimals and fractions. I hope this helped. I hope this will help you with your homework, which is page 17. Don't forget, page 17 for homework. Get that done. You need practice. Practice, practice, practice. That's how you get better. I will see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.